Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you for joining us. I'm Steve,
And I'm Scott.
and together we're Backyard Musings, Science and Technology. We're going to blind you with science.
We have an amazing health topic today to talk to that I think everybody probably over the age of 50 should be paying attention to.
Yeah, and just as a reminder, we told you about hydralazine, which was a high blood pressure medicine that has
Right.
effects of reducing cancer.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is another one. You're going to like this.
Yeah.
Researchers designed microscopic hydrogel spheres filled with blood detecting bacteria to identify gastrointestinal bleeding non-invasively. After being swallowed and passing through the body, the spheres can be magnetically collected and analyzed within minutes. So you take a magnet down into the poo and it grabs those pellets and you wash them off and then you analyze them. In
So
mice,
you don't do it, but a doctor does it.
well, yeah. So you gotta take the poo there, I guess.
Or
In,
you
in
poo there.
or you poo there, yeah.
Yeah.
In mice, the brightness of the bacterial glow revealed how severe colitis was. The technology could pave the way for easier gut health diagnostics. Would you like to know more?
Researchers writing November 19th, 2025 in ACS Sensors report that they have created a new type of ingestible sensor built from microscopic spheres filled with blood responsive bacteria that identify signs of gastrointestinal disease. These small pills are swallowed and include magnetic particles, which allow them to be retrieved from the stool with ease. Sure. After passing through mouse models with colitis, the sensors identified gastrointestinal bleeding within minutes.
So, what flavors do you think these little pills are going to be in? You ingest
Shut
them.
up.
Do you think they'll come up with cannabinoid spheres?
I think you're going to need to be on cannabinoid if you're going to, depending on how big these things are. I mean, what do they
It's not
flavor for the mice?
microscopic.
What do they flavor for the mice? Probably cheese or
No, for
peanut butter.
flavor for human trials for us. I personally would like strawberry or cherry.
Well, what about the mice? The mice are right in the middle of it right now.
Cheese flavored.
Cheese, okay.
Okay, the team notes that the bacteria inside these spheres could be re-engineered to detect additional gut-related disorders. Quote, this technology provides a new paradigm for rapid and non-invasive detection of gastrointestinal diseases, says Ying Zhao, a co-author of the study.
If there's I wonder if we've talked about Ying Zhao before, I think. Anyway, in the U.S., millions of people experience colorectal cancer or inflammatory bowel disease, including colitis, which can result in intestinal bleeding, diarrhea, and abdominal cramping. Oh boy. The standard diagnostic approach remains the colonoscopy, which relies on an endoscope, a camera-equipped device guided through the large intestine. Although highly effective, many individuals avoid the test because of the preparation required and the discomfort associated with the procedure, which is that go lightly. Got to drink that gallon of go lightly.
Yeah, and I don't know if any of our viewers have done it while they're awake. You can do it while you're awake, and you pass a lot of gas. It puts air up in there, and um, it's crazy,
Okay.
man.
All
It's
right.
crazy. I've
Let's
done it
get on with
once.
the TMI. So here we go.
Yeah. So, and also, I wonder if this can find Crohn's disease and maybe do something with that. You know what I mean? Help diagnose it and help fix it.
All
That
I
would
got
be
to say is put me out.
to offer a more patient-friendly option. Zhao Bang Siyi, Zhenping Zhao, and colleagues. Okay, that's Dewey, Cheatham, and Howe. Our colleagues in exploring ways to use bacteria that recognize biological markers of disease, such as, I don't know how to pronounce this, heme, H-E-M-E, a component of red blood cells that signals intestinal bleeding.
The researchers had previously designed heme-insensitive bacteria that emit light when exposed to blood, but these earlier sensors were fragile and prone to breaking down in the digestive environment. Oh, not good.
Yeah.
Making them difficult to recover.
Yeah.
Am I going on? Is that yours?
Wonder if it'd be bloody coming out with the iron in there. Huh.
Yeah.
In the current work, the team embedded their heme-sensing bacteria and magnetic particles inside small droplets of sodium alginate, a common food thickener. This technique produced tiny hydrogel microspheres that can be pulled from feces with a magnet or scat, in the case of the mice, with a magnet after passing through the digestive system. Early experiments showed that the hydrogel shielded the bacteria from simulated digestive fluids while still permitting heme to reach the sensor, triggering it to glow.
Then the team administered the microspheres orally to mouse models of colitis, representing disease levels from no activity to severe stages. After the microspheres travel through the animal's gastrointestinal system, the researchers retrieved the sensors from feces with a magnet and found.
Okay, before we get into the and founds, I just
you don't have a slide. No slides, right?
No, we don't have a slide.
Good.
Just a comment. This sounds like Journey to the Center of the Body. What was that movie called? Where they shrunk the people down in the ship and they went through the body?
Yeah. Fantastic Voyage, I think.
Yeah, so this sounds like Fantastic Voyage, doesn't it?
Well, yeah.
Except
I don't remember those people going through any kind of, I don't remember them going through an intestine or anything like that where they had to deal with feces.
Hey.
They were injected into a bloodstream.
Yeah. Well, if you've got colitis, there's blood in the stream of your intestines. Okay, here's what the magnet found. Microsphere cleanup and signal analysis took about 25 minutes.
As the disease progressed, the sensor's light intensity increased, indicating greater heme levels in mouse models with more advanced colitis.
So the worse it is, the greater it glows. Okay. Assessments of healthy mice given the sensor indicated the microspheres were biocompatible and safe.
Although the sensor still needs to be tested in humans, the researchers say that this method of encapsulating bacterial sensors could be used to diagnose gastrointestinal diseases and monitor treatments and disease progression.
This is fantastic. This is
no go lightly.
Go lightly. No. Well, I guess not. I mean, wouldn't you still want to have the intestines clear so it could see any of the blood? I guess not.
I don't know.
Wow.
These things sense it, don't they?
They would have said something in the. Well, maybe that's in the human trials. They'll see.
Could be.
Huh.
Could be. Maybe the mice said, "No, we're not taking that stuff."
Or they didn't answer the questionnaire and said, "This is what affected me."
Right.
Mice. Yeah.
But you got to take that stuff, right? Have you ever known anybody that's gone to have that test and they didn't drink to go lightly? Yeah.
They turned him around. They stuck the scope in, pulled it out, turned him around, sent him on his way. What happened? Well, sir, you didn't do the procedure right, so you have to come back.
Oh boy. Wow. Okay.
Yeah. I was listening in and I was snickering inside.
Were you in the waiting procedure or waiting before or after?
Before. Well, you poor sap.
All right.
All right, folks. We'll see you in the afternoon. Thanks for joining us.
Enjoy your breakfast. Take care, everyone. Thanks.